Hello everyone. It is coming up really quick on the June 22nd Tyler, Texas workshop, and I just wanted to make this the last call. We've got 4 days and 21 hours remaining, probably less by the time you watch this, but I just wanted to point out we've added something new. You can make deposits and pay the remainder upon your arrival, and also if you have been having trouble affording the workshop, we've added this now. It's important to notice right here on the checkout page, under your order, you can click edit, and then you can click inside of this box and you can enter in the amount of money that you want to pay for the workshop or what you can afford. Then check out. The amount may or may not be accepted. If it's not accepted, it'll be refunded to you in full. If, on the other hand, it is accepted, you'll be able to attend the workshop at the price that you choose. So again, this is for all of our workshops, but also is a last call for the June 22nd workshop in Tyler, Texas. We thank you so much. You have yourself a really good day.